back, YouTube. Welcome back. So I just got my cage put in. Finally. This is the first walk around. Man, this car is so fun. Pretty happy with how it came out so far. It's crazy, man. Every time I think like, all right, cool, I got this mod, I can chill now. And I always end up finding like something else I want to do. And I already have it in mind, but I'm not gonna speak on it yet. But yeah, there she is, man. So I'm gonna show you guys the cage. So it's all legit. Bolted up, carpet trimmed. It's on that good, man. Not going nowhere. Full bolt on. Definitely modified it. It was already gonna drop down, but let's see. So this cage is gonna drop down already, but I wanted to keep the back seats. I think stock form is supposed to go inside the back, but we modified it to come over to the side. So it's mounted up to the top of the wheel well. It's all welded up. It's in there good, man. And yeah, came out pretty dope. I love it. Yes, sir. But yeah, I know you guys have some questions about the wheel specs, so I'm gonna kind of go over it real quick. So suspension wise, I have BC Extreme Lows with the custom springs. Originally I had 32K springs, which worked fine. They're kind of on the stiffer side, obviously. Which before this setup, I had more poke. It was lower and I had more poke, so I needed the extra what do you call it? Stiffness. So I went with it's 50K. I got 50K for the rear because the rear used to hit a little bit. I had a lot more poke, a lot more stretch, and I had like freaking a bunch of spacers. Like anybody that knows me and seen this car in person, man, I used to run a bunch of spacers, like like a big 25 mil bolt on, and then I'll have like 2 slide-ons, and then I still probably could fit more spacers. So the wheels used to poke out a lot more. I since took the camber out and took some of the stretch out because I kept cracking wheels because I was running a lot of camber. Which kind of worked out because I'm making a little bit more power than back then, and I would spin sometimes on launch. And right now I'm a little more controlled, and I could corner a lot better. So it's kind of fun. I do miss like the big camber, kind of miss being lower, but it's fun. It's a fun setup. It's still cool enough to like pull up to the static meets, the super low cars, cambered out. But I'm still like functional. I can hang out with the more meaty setup guys. So it's cool. I like it. So yeah, right now I'm running 245, 35, 18 on 18 by 10.5 plus 15 offset. Yeah, I know it's not a traditional spec. I'm never like all my cars. I've never really, I guess, went with the crowd on wheel specs in general. So I always just ran whatever I want to run. Like everybody, I think there's a lot of people just, I guess, are afraid of wheel fitment. Which I get it because it's kind of confusing at first. But I've had so many cars, man, and I've done so many things to different cars and different styles that I kind of just know So like my first setup is kind of pretty aggressive, and it looks good. So yeah, I just never really went with the crowd. But yeah, so 18 by 10.5 plus 15. I think right now I'm running like negative what am I running, like -7 all around square setup, which is cool. It's not crazy, it's like some crazy camber, but it's like enough to show and make it look aggressive. I tried the 0 camber setup, bro, and I just didn't like it. So but yeah, here she is, man. Love how the cage came out. Interior's coming together pretty nice, bro. Got my starlights in there. I have some cool like Mercedes ambient lights in here too. Can't really see because it's daytime, but yeah, it's pretty dope, man. I love this car. I have some more mods coming, but I think before I add those, I'm gonna replace my windshield. I got a fat crack in it, and then hopefully put my decals on. I have that's nasty crack. Started right there, and now it's just spreading. So you can't really see it sometimes in videos, pictures, but like in person you can see it, and when you get up close. So yeah, I'm pretty ready to replace that and add my banners and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to make a quick little update video on the cage and the Subi. Maybe next video I'll do like the power mods, show what I got going. But yeah, this is it. 10 out of 10, bro. As far as the install, man, this thing freaking probably took a whole month to do. Like from the mocking up to the, you know, drilling the holes to the custom fabrication. We had to shorten the B-bar, shorten the legs on that and re-weld them, and then the back beams, how to shorten them and relocate where they're supposed to go. So to this day, bro, I have no idea like where it was supposed to go in the trunk. Like I feel like it's supposed to go in the trunk somewhere, but it just wasn't making sense. I have no idea, bro. I almost think like they sent the wrong ones for a different car or something. I have no idea. Like maybe like a freaking FRS or something. But yeah, it's all good. It ended up working out anyways because I had to shorten the cage. So I was able to shorten that piece too and move it. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Just a little quickie. Yeah, this thing's coming together pretty nice, man. I would say like I noticed that the handling improved too. Like I already have like sway bars and braces, but yeah, this definitely made a difference. So it's dope, man. I like how this thing is coming along. So I don't know, I guess we'll see if I ever finish this thing, bro. Like there's still like power mods I want to do, and a couple more aesthetics. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this video, guys. I appreciate the love. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video, y'all. Peace.